Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a strong buy candidate with a score of 2.48. Now, let's dive into the performance of this stock during the mentioned period. Those who followed our analysis would have been thrilled to witness an impressive gain of 14.14% since we first recommended buying Nvidia 9 days ago. In simpler terms, this means an average return of 1.57% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend up. This slower falling rate may be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support at the roof of the current trend, which is at $480.75. This level may offer a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $561.44 will be the next possible trend top level and may pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential minus 3.17% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 21.99% and minus 6.26%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 195.67% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 151.84% and 240.79%. This translates to a price range of $1,250.55 to $1,692.21 after a year. Our latest update on Nvidia shows a positive trend. The stock gained 2.13% on the last trading day, reaching a price of $496.56. This marks the 10th consecutive day of gains for Nvidia, which is quite impressive. However, it's important to note that stocks usually experience some fluctuations, so a small decline may be expected in the coming days. On Tuesday, the stock fluctuated between a low of $490.40 and a high of $498.34, showing a 1.62% change throughout the day. It's worth mentioning that the stock has seen a remarkable 21.77% increase over the past 2 weeks and has been traded with high volume. In fact, on the last trading day, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 41 million shares exchanged, equivalent to approximately $20.27 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, Nvidia's stock price ranged from a high of $502.30 to a low of $138.84. Currently, the price is 1.14% below the 52-week high, standing at $496.56. It's important to note that this price also represents the all-time high for the stock. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Nvidia stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Nvidia. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a correction and moves downward, it will find support at $474.06 and $443.34. However, if it breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a rise of 23.14% so far. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Pivots also indicate a buy signal that occurred 14 days ago. Bollinger Bands are another indicator that suggests a buy signal that occurred 3 days ago. The short-term moving average is showing a buy signal from 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal from 10 days ago. Moreover, the relationship between the short and long moving averages confirms a buy signal 7 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we observe a buy signal from the short moving average 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also signals a buy 9 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 15 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our website at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When it comes to support levels, Nvidia has two important levels to watch out for. The first support level is at $471.63, just below today's stock price. If this level is broken, the stock may fall further to the next support level at $460.18. It's important to keep an eye on these levels, as they can indicate potential price movements. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. Whenever a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk of it breaking down. If Nvidia's support level at $471.63 is broken, the stock could potentially drop even lower. The next support levels to watch out for would be at $460.18 and $439.38. So, it's crucial to monitor these levels closely to manage your risk effectively. In terms of volatility, Nvidia has shown average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the past day, the stock had a price range of $7.94, which is equivalent to a 1.62% change. Over the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.27%. These figures can give you an idea of the stock's potential fluctuations. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has an extremely high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on November 21, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $3.34. It's important to keep a close eye on these figures, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we will explore potential day trading levels for Nvidia. Currently, there is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating the possibility of a swift upward movement for the stock. If the right conditions align, it might be a good opportunity to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the ideal exit point. On the downside, Nvidia's first support level can be found at $471.63. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Nvidia has received a strong buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 6, 2023, Drell Persis sold 2,300 shares of common stock as an insider. On September 20, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 7,951 shares of common stock as an insider. On September 20, 2023, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 3,068 shares of common stock as an insider. On September 20, 2023, Puri Ajay K. sold 8,458 shares of common stock as an insider. On September 20, 2023, Cress Collette sold 8,919 shares of common stock as an insider. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -18.689. In total, insiders have purchased 421,264 shares and sold 627,435 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $480.07, representing a decrease of 3.32%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, which indicates a moderate level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 stands at 84, significantly increasing the risk. It's worth noting that a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 13 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? There are several positive short-term signals, and the breakup from the falling trend suggests a possible shift in the overall trend. We believe that the prices around the breaking point could indicate particularly good levels to consider, but we also think that the current level may present a good buying opportunity in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 15th, we expect Nvidia stock to open down by $1.46 and start trading at $495.10. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By accessing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here's our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.